Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Twinkling Tots. Fun, fun, fun. Yes, today we're gonna read an interesting fun storybook called Daddy's Late. I guess you guys are waiting to read or laugh. This easy-to-read book with touch of humor gives children the love of reading. This story, Daddy is Late, is written by Voon Oi Chen. Without any further delay, let's dive into it. Oh no. Daddy is late for work today. The alarm is ringing and so he is rushing out of the bed. He brushes his teeth in a hurry and started scrubbing furiously. The water splashed all over the mirror and his face. He then washes his face in a hurry. Gotta go. He changes his clothes in a hurry, wrestling with his shirt to put on the button, but it ended up clumsy. Everyone in the family helping Daddy get ready for his office. Grandpa gets him his briefcase. Grandma gets him his car keys. Brother gets him his watch. Sister gets him his shoes. And Mommy gets him his breakfast.
I wanna help Daddy too. Idea. I know what to do now. I will. I will help Daddy to eat his breakfast. And that's the end of the story. I guess you guys love this fun way of helping his dad. Hope you all like reading the story. I have some more interesting books for you next time. Cheers to all the little bookworms out there. Until next time, bye. Learn as you grow. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to get more such book reading videos.